Well, then this breaking update of a copper mine lift collapse that was reported in Rajasthan. The update that is now coming in, at least 10 people have been rescued. This is the mega operations that is still underway. It continued overnight, and the operations is on to rescue the remaining 4 miners who are still said to be trapped in that debris, in that depth that goes way beyond. So even when it comes to this lift collapse that was reported, the authorities, even when it comes to the state government, how they are closely monitoring it, there are several reactions that have now also come in. But this is the copper mine lift collapse where at least 10 people till now have been rescued. Let me go across to Gajraj now. Gajraj, overnight rescue operations that have been taking place. Take us through the latest, please.
See, this particular rescue operation has been going on since 11 to 12 hours. This lift basically snapped around 8 p.m. last night, and right now we are at this particular mines, and we have reached this particular spot from Jaipur, and you know, nearly 10 people have been right now rescued from this particular spot. With they have sustained fractures after the lift snapped and fell into this particular mine. And I would like to also remind you that it is particularly 1800 of this particular mine is 1800 feet, and right now a rescue operation and effort operation are underway, and nearly 4 to 5 people are still to be rescued in this particular scenario. Studio.
Right. So even when it comes to the rescue operations that have been still taking place, but the depth of this lift when it has collapsed, what is exactly that is being calculated to? Gajraj, if you can tell us how difficult and how challenging is this rescue operation?
See, it has been challenging because a lot of them are senior officials and, from Kolkata of the vigilance team, and a few officials are of this particular mines only, and the depth is nearly 1800 feet. So, so the depth and the hollowness of this particular area, the mine is, too much, and because this particular mine has been going since 1972, so it has been years that this particular area has been, it's being dug up for copper, and now it is being used, and sources are saying that nearly 1870 feet of depth is being measured where this lift
rescue operations still continue, and when it comes to the effort to rescue the remaining of those individuals who are trapped in this lift collapse, that still continues. Thank you for the moment, Gajraj, for joining.